It's time to make the greatest comeback of your life. No more waiting, no more excuses. A new year is a new beginning. A blank page, a fresh start, a chance to rewrite your story. So what better time to start than now? But making the greatest comeback of your life will be hard. The world will test you. But the strongest people don't wait for the storm to pass. They learn to rise within it. The greatest comebacks don't happen by chance. They happen by choice. The question isn't, can I do it? The question is, will I take the step forward today? Because your next move can change everything. You don't need anyone's permission. You don't need perfect conditions. All you need is the quiet, relentless determination to rise, to push, and to grow. Your future is unwritten, and your potential is limitless. This is your time. This is the comeback the world will never see coming, but you will feel in every fiber of your being. But it won't be easy. Life will knock you down. It will test you. It will challenge you. It will strip away what you thought was yours. And in those moments, it's easy to feel defeated. It's easy to believe that your story has ended. But your setbacks do not define you. Your failures do not determine your future. Your lowest moments do not signal the end of your journey. The greatest comebacks come from the darkest moments. They come from the times when everyone else has given up, when the world has written you off, when even you wonder if it's worth trying again. Because that's when real strength is born. That's when champions are made. And your comeback isn't about proving anyone else wrong. It's about proving to yourself that you're not finished. You can start again, and you can rebuild. But before you can begin your comeback, you must face reality. No excuses, no denial. You have to look at where you are honestly. The mistakes you've made, the chances you've missed, the times you gave up or doubted yourself. This is not to shame you, it's to free you. Because when you face the truth, you gain control and clarity. You can't fix what you ignore. You can't rebuild what you refuse to see. And you can't rise if you hide from your own story. So acknowledge it, accept it, own it, and then decide that your story doesn't end here. The moment you accept responsibility, your comeback starts. You must take full responsibility. Not blame, not excuses, not whining about circumstances. Responsibility means saying, this is on me, my actions, my choices, and I will do something about it. You might have been knocked down by circumstances. You might have faced betrayal, failure, or loss. But you always have a choice in how you respond. Take ownership. Take control of your next move. Because when you take responsibility, you reclaim your power. No one can save you except yourself. No one can rebuild you except you. And the sooner you own that, the sooner your comeback begins. But comebacks are never easy. The path back up will be harder than you imagine. It will test you physically, mentally, and emotionally. There will be days when your body aches, your mind doubts, and your spirit wants to quit. But that's okay. Pain is part of the process. The question is, will you let it stop you, or will you let it shape you? Every challenge, every setback, every moment of discomfort is a chance to grow stronger. Every hardship is a building block for the version of you that refuses to be defeated. Pain is temporary, but the strength you gain from enduring it lasts forever. And the beauty of struggle is that it teaches resilience. It teaches patience. It teaches you that no matter how hard the world tries to break you, your spirit can be stronger than it ever was before. But a comeback doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen in giant leaps or dramatic gestures. It happens step by step, brick by brick. Focus on the next step and the step after that. Focus on improvement, not perfection. When you break it down, it becomes manageable. The greatest comebacks are never rushed. They are deliberate. They are built on consistent, small victories that accumulate into transformation. One day at a time, one choice at a time. One small win today is the foundation for a larger win tomorrow. But your mindset determines your outcome, and doubt kills comebacks faster than failure ever will. Fear paralyzes you before action ever begins. Regret chains you to the past if you let it. So rebuild your mind. Feed it hope. Feed it determination. Feed it belief. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher. Surround yourself with knowledge, habits, and routines that strengthen you from the inside out. Your comeback begins in your mind, long before it shows in the world. Because before you can rise, you must believe you can rise. A comeback requires action, not excuses, not waiting for the perfect moment. Time does not stop for anyone. Opportunities will not wait. Reclaim your time. Make every day count. Prioritize actions that move you forward and cut out distractions that hold you back. 1 hour of focus compounds over days. 1 day of effort compounds over weeks. 1 week of discipline compounds over months. Your comeback is built one deliberate choice at a time. So stay focused and locked in. Every comeback is also built on lessons learned from failure. You will stumble. You will fall again. You will feel like quitting. That's normal. Failure is not your enemy. It's your guide. Every mistake teaches you what works and what doesn't. Every setback reveals your weaknesses and shows you where to grow. Every moment of defeat points you toward the actions that will lead to victory. Study failure. Learn from it. Adapt. Use it as fuel. Because the stronger your lessons, the stronger your comeback. A comeback isn't just about starting over. It's about refusing to quit. It's showing up when others would give up. It's grinding when no one is watching. It's moving forward even when progress feels invisible. Relentless effort wins. Persistence beats doubt. Consistency outlasts talent. You might be tired. You might be frustrated. You might feel like the world is against you. Keep going anyway. Because the person who keeps moving forward is the person who eventually crosses the finish line. Every comeback starts with a vision. Picture yourself 1 year from now. Imagine the person you will be after enduring the struggle. Imagine the strength, confidence, and skills you will have built. Your mind believes what you visualize. Your heart fuels what you imagine. Your actions follow what you see in your mind's eye. See your victory, feel it, then chase it relentlessly. A comeback is more than a return. It's a transformation. It's proof that you're stronger than your past. It's proof that setbacks cannot define you. It's proof that resilience can turn failure into triumph. Your story matters. Your struggle matters. Your comeback matters. And when it happens, it inspires not only you, but everyone who witnesses it. The greatest comeback of your life doesn't happen by chance. It happens because you refuse to stay down. It happens because you take responsibility. It happens because you refuse to quit. No matter how far you've fallen, no matter how much you've lost, no matter how hopeless it seems, your comeback is waiting. And it begins today. Stand up. Start now. Take the first step. Because it's time to make the greatest comeback of your life.